Experience the epitome of student living at 1219 W 36th Street, Los Angeles, where luxury and convenience seamlessly combined offer you an exceptional living experience. Select from a range of thoughtfully designed non-ensuite and ensuite rooms. Each space is carefully crafted for your comfort, featuring a cozy bed that provides the perfect space to unwind after a busy day. The property boasts an array of modern amenities including free lifts, on-site washer-dryer facilities, DPS, air conditioning and heating, and a private yard for a quick stroll. With controlled access and shuttle services to the campus, you can enjoy peace of mind and a stress-free lifestyle tailored to your needs. Ideally located, the property is just a short drive from the USC Viterbi School of Engineering and the University of Southern California. For dining options, Taco Bell offers a quick snack, while its Boba Time caters to your coffee cravings and light bites. Smart and Final is nearby for your grocery essentials, and with accessible bus stops, commuting around the city is made easy. Don't miss the opportunity to secure your ideal living space. Visit amberstudent.com today and make 1219 W 36th Street, Los Angeles your new home.